Good morning, PS 268. Today is our spectacular success assembly. Take a peek around and spot all your friends who made it to school today. Give them a big thank you for showing up.
And if you're chatting with someone, ask if they were here yesterday too, and remind them to rock up on Monday.
First up in our success assembly is the Shining Star category, perfect attendance. We've got some incredible students who brave all kinds of weather.
Rain, shine, wind, storms, or snow. Nothing stops them from coming to school every single day. Let's take a moment to give a huge cheer for these fantastic students.
When you hear your name, stand up tall. Your teachers have your certificates ready to hand out. Let's kick this off. London Keat, the month of December. Morgan Marston, the month of December. Milano McPherson, December and February. Daniel St. Louis, December. Skylar Taylor, December and February. Jonathan Grant, January and February. Janelle Salada Garcia, February. Farida Orlorde, December, February. Janelle Pasley, December, January and February. Lorma Pimentel Ortiz, December. Mohammed Saleh, December. Soraya Lucas, January.
Annie Barones Guerrera, February. Ruth Ramos Loreto, February. Jaden Duran, December and February. Savon Marston, December. Zoe Watson, December, January and February. Kuria Minta, January, February. Leah Branch, February. Zaniel Bridgman Carby, December and February. McKinley Valmar, December and February. Amir Hussein, January and February. Lori Ronil Vilmont, January. O'Day Asali, February. Amelia Marcelino, February. Wedkin Seed, February. Janice Soro Zayas, February. Kennedy Gordon, December. Jacqueline Mahoman, January, February. Kamaya Willis, January, February. Andy Nelson, February. Aiden Alexander, December, February. Riley Chambers Smith, December. Axel Flores Amaya, December, February. Davon Yules, December. Bakwheels Mosed, January. German Love Pierre, December, February. Kyrie Porter, December. Carter Riley Salmon, December. Yusef Rose, December. Marquez Vertiz, December, February. Chichitzo Clement, February. Gabriel Lopez, December, February. Christian Watts, December, February. Eden Ortiz, February. Emily Figueroa Mareres, December, February. Tasia McQueen, December, January, February. Aisha Asidi, February.
Sophie Rose Ayers Cox, January. Danny Balbrin, January and February. Kaylin Huggins, January and February. D'Angelo Mills, January. Javonica Tidor, January. Galed Perdomo Reyes, February. Josiah Baker, December, January, and February. Akira Cassimi, December, January, February. Emily Grant, December and February. Amina Lewis, December. Adam Bamba, January, February. Mia Drayton, February. Wendell Matthew, February. Carson Rochelin Yuma, February. Soraya Supersod, February. Gabriela Belizaire, December, January, and February. Soraya Supersod, December, January, February. Ronaldino Germain, December, February. AKM Islam, December, January, February. Gwen James, December, February. Halima Erlone, December, February. Niley Rodriguez, December, February. Donita Mills, January. Kaylin Porter, January.
Marcin Roshlin Beulah, February. Florian Barthelemy, December, January, and February. Mohammed Bassam, December, January, February. Ariana Brito, December and January. Robert Eldis, December. Linz Jean, December, January, and February. Mateo Zapata Gonzalez, December. Jaden Mercier, December, January, and February. Sion Newt Kirk, December and February. Kezia Thomas, December and February. Liam Triumphal, December, January, and February. Mariah Wilson Logan, December. Yazan Abdo, January. Kitsia Cardenas Sopa, January and February. Lady Cardenas Sopa, January and February. Gracelyn Guerrero, January and February. Cosima Lafayette, February. Jalen Lopez, February. Great job, boys and girls. Now, if you haven't heard your name and you know you definitely achieved this, open up your ears. Let's go. Dakari Walcott, February. Gad Basante, December. Constanza Zapata Gonzalez, December. Amira Lewis, December. Sophia Noel, December. Brianna Vargas, January. Demetria Ambris. Ida Andrew Simon. Jameer Daniels. Ray Howard Napoleon, February. Kingston Boynes, December. Kiera Gale, January and February. Jaleel Green, January. Maria Figueroa, February. Deshaun Washington, December. Fran Dogbert Augustine, February. Kyra Lee Smith, December. Enzo Jean, January and February. Caleb Murray, January and February. Car Zambrano Sangroni, January. Cairo Griffith, February. Milo Jackson, February. Aaron Daniel Mundell, February. Xavion Simmond, February.
Hey, Miss Cece.
Oh, hey, Kaija.
What are you doing?
Just going over the list of students with perfect attendance. We're celebrating them.
Wow, there's so many kids with perfect attendance.
Mm-hmm.
But what about those kids who have most improved attendance?
Most improved attendance?
Yeah, it's those kids who really value school and they're really trying to get here, but they've got here more days this month than last month.
Oh, so you mean the students who are really trying. Maybe one day they will make perfect attendance.
Right.
Yeah, we should celebrate them too.
Come on, PS 268. Let's take a look. If you see your name, make sure to feel proud of yourself.
Hey guys, let's give everyone who won an award a round of applause. Those students who have perfect attendance and those who have most improved. Please be on the lookout for our Emma Games tomorrow in the auditorium from 1 to 2 p.m. Please come out and have fun. Bye guys.